Hey everyone, welcome back to our Dart and Flutter tutorial series. In the last video, we will learn about a hint. Today, we will take it one step further and understand abstract class in Dart, what they are, why they exist, and how Flutter uses them everywhere. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, what is abstract class? The abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated. It is used to as a blueprint for other classes. Okay, so simply extra class is a basic structure of the our blueprint we can use for other classes. Okay, key points are like cannot create object directly. Okay, we cannot create object of a extra class. Okay, can contain abstract methods without body. Okay, in abstract class we cannot define any body for that methods. Okay, can contain normal methods with body must be extended. Okay, whenever we create a abstract class like abstract class class name void method name. Okay, so this is basic structure to how to create abstract class. First of all, use abstract keyword, then class keyword, then class name. Inside we create our method. Okay, why do we need abstract classes? We use abstract classes when we want to enforce rules on a child classes. We want a common structure. We do not want direct object creation. Flutter use this for widgets, stacks, and render objects. Okay, so we simply check how to create a simple abstract method. Okay, so simply an abstract method has a nobody and must be implemented by child class. Okay, so first we create a class abstract class animal. Okay, inside we create a method sound. Okay, now we extends abstract class in our child class. Okay, so create a class dog extends our animal abstract class. Okay, so when we extend any student abstract class that and we need to override okay, override missing methods. Okay, means when we create here sound method. Okay, so we need to override here. Okay, so we simply print a message like dog barks. Okay, so this is how we create a class and implement in child class. Okay, if we create another method like age barking. Okay, if we create here another method must we need to override in our child class. Okay, so this is basic thing to create a class. Okay, I hope you understand. Now how to access these methods in our main function. Okay, so simply we create object of dog class, then we print its method call. Okay, so we call its method sound. Okay, so we simply check see dog path is called this block. Okay, all other equal another things, so it okay. That class must implement sound. Okay, if we declare inside our method. Okay, now we create a abstract class with a normal method. So the class can also have a normal method. Okay. So simply remove it. Okay. So we get abstract class shape. Okay. Inside we create void draw method and create void input. Inside we some add log print the step. Okay. Now what we do? Now we extend this abstract class in our circle class. Okay. So create class circle extends. Here. Okay. See why not is override input because we create a normal method. Okay. When we use curly brackets inside some given code, it become a normal method. Okay. If not we use a curly bracket or a chapter, then it become a main method. We need to override in our sub. Okay. Here we some log drawing sub. Okay. Now what we do in our create object circle c equal circle. Okay. Then we print c dot draw. So c dot. Okay. Okay. So we call our main method or normal method. Okay. This will be print drawing circle and this is shape. Okay. This is shape is a normal method and this is override method. Okay. For code we use force and implementation. Now also we use constructor in our abstract class. Okay. So we use simple remove things create abstract class person. Okay. Inside we create variable name. Okay. Then we call constructor. Inside this we assign this dot name. Okay. Now class student extends person. Okay. So see here showing some information about create constructor to call a super. Okay. This is simple. Okay. When we create a class in constructor, then need to call this our child class with a super keyword with to attend our value to the its exact class. Okay. This is one way. Also you can create student direct assign string name. Okay. Then call your super name. Okay. So this is another way. You can use this one or this one. Okay. Okay. So these things is select classes can have constructors, but we cannot call them directly. Okay. But we cannot call it directly. Okay. Now we all know this type of aspect class in our Flutter. Okay. Like we use like class text widget extends widget, and we always override. Okay, what that is? Override build. Building. Okay, so we can take the class widget, widget, inside create method builder. Okay, so in Flutter we always create a stateless or stateful widgets in our layout which implement override field. So finally there is stateless and stateful widget are class. We can directly sense and then implement its override method build. Okay, must take some common mistakes that a developer forget. So why we can check it here. Okay, try to create an object. Never create object of a class, etc. Like this. Here we create a class animal. Okay, in our main we try to call it object. Okay, see what here is saying. Abstract class cannot be initialized by creating an instance of a record. Create accepted. Okay, so we cannot directly create object over. We need to extend inside class, then we can create an object. Okay, okay, this is the abstract class basic things we do in this video. Okay, in the next video we will learn about interfaces and implements in that, how that achieves multiple inheritance behavior. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one.